Imagine a car that can travel over 800 kilometers on a single charge, accelerates to 100 kilometers per hour in seconds, and becomes smarter every day by learning on its own, protecting you and your family with unparalleled safety while turning every journey into a pleasure with its luxurious interior. This is not just a car, this is the vehicle of the future. In this video, I'll show you the incredible innovations of the Volvo EX60. I'll talk in detail about its record-breaking range, ultra-fast charging technology, powerful electric motors, innovative safety systems, aerodynamic design, and family-friendly interior. So make sure to watch until the end and witness this revolution, because the EX60 is set to change the automotive world from the ground up. Welcome to the CarVerse channel, friends. Here we share exciting information about the latest cars. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now, activate the bell to stay updated with new videos, and don't forget to like this video. Likes are very important to us because they motivate us, help us create higher quality content, and allow you to see more videos like this. Thank you. Now, let's get back to the main topic, the Volvo EX60, a fully electric mid-sized luxury SUV from the Swedish brand, known as the electric version of the XC60, and the electrified successor to Volvo's best-selling model of all time, with production starting in the first half of 2026 and market launch in 2027. It's built on the SPA3 platform, an advanced evolution of the scalable product architecture, featuring mega-casting technology that creates single-piece aluminum body sections and integrates battery cells directly into the chassis, reducing weight, increasing rigidity, improving efficiency, and expanding interior space. The vehicle measures 4,803 millimeters in length, 1,899 millimeters in width, and 1,635 millimeters in height, placing it in the same class as the BMW iX3 and Mercedes GLC Electric. The exterior design follows Scandinavian principles with a clean and aerodynamic form, including a low front end, gently sloping roof, frameless doors, flush glass, flat underbody, and tapered rear to optimize airflow, while active shutters and shaped side mirrors reduce drag. Exterior themes include bright with matte silver details and dark with glossy black accents. Wheel options range from 20 to 22 inches with lightweight aluminum and aerodynamic elements, and the rear tires are slightly wider for improved traction. Lighting features Volvo's signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights with adaptive matrix LED technology to avoid blinding oncoming traffic, optional high-definition pixel headlights with 25,600 pixels for precise light control, and rear LEDs that create welcome and farewell sequences with ground illumination. Color options are inspired by Scandinavian design, and the interior is designed for families with a modular layout that adapts to changing needs. Wireless Apple CarPlay is standard. Google services are included free for 4 years before becoming subscription-based, and the rear seats feature dual integrated heated child seats for proper seatbelt positioning. Cargo capacity reaches 64.3 cubic feet with the seats folded, thanks to 40-20-40 split rear seats, a flat load floor, and a wide tailgate, while a cargo control panel allows folding seats or controlling the tow hitch, complemented by a hands-free power tailgate and numerous storage spaces throughout the cabin and under the floor. Powertrains come in 3 variants: the P6 rear-wheel drive electric version with 369 horsepower, the P10 all-wheel drive electric version with torque distribution between front and rear motors producing 503 horsepower, and the P12 AWD version delivering 670 horsepower. Battery options include 83 kilowatt-hours for the P6, 95 kilowatt-hours for the P10, and 117 kilowatt-hours for the P12, with estimated EPA ranges of around 310 miles for the P6, 320 miles for the P10, and up to 400 miles for the P12, while the European WLTP range reaches up to 810 kilometers for the P12. The Range Assistant app shows the impact of driving style, traffic, and temperature, offering real-time efficiency tips, while peak charging can add up to 173 miles in just 10 minutes, with access to over 60,000 DC fast chargers. DC fast charging from 10 to 80% takes 18 to 19 minutes at up to 400 kilowatts, depending on the version. And AI optimization through the Breathe Charge program monitors the battery, learns usage patterns, and speeds up charging by up to 30% in cold conditions without sacrificing range or performance. Notifications alert the driver when battery levels drop below 20%. The central display shows nearby charging stations via Google Maps with speed, availability, and estimated time. And battery preconditioning activates automatically when navigating to a charger or manually via a button. Home charging is supported by a standard 19.2 kilowatt onboard charger, with charging to 90% recommended for battery health. Performance peaks at 670 horsepower with 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration times of 5.7 seconds for the P6, 4.4 seconds for the P10, and 3.8 seconds for the P12, along with 4 driving modes focused on comfort, efficiency, or performance, adjustable one-pedal driving, and towing capacity up to 4,500 pounds, depending on the powertrain. Safety includes advanced systems such as the world's first multi-adaptive safety belt and pilot assist with lane change support. An 800-volt architecture is standard across all versions for faster charging and improved performance. The Hugen Core and Google Gemini computing systems enable over-the-air updates and continuous AI-assisted improvements. The NACS port provides direct access to the Tesla supercharger network without an adapter, and battery cell to chassis integration further enhances lightweight efficiency. Pixel headlights with 25,600 pixels ensure adaptive lighting. Pricing is expected to start around $60,000 for a well-equipped model. The full configurator will be available in the first half of 2026. Test drives will begin in the second half, and a rugged cross-country version is planned for 2028, with adaptive air suspension, skid pleats, a tougher design, 503 horsepower dual motors, and around 310 miles of range. The EX60 is not just a car, it's a lifestyle that is eco-friendly, powerful, and intelligent, forming the foundation of Volvo's future model strategy. So if you want to learn more about this vehicle, let us know in the comments and we'll bring you detailed tests in upcoming videos.